Hi everyone, Hannah here. So this is our July Shabby Chic Treasures box. And as you'll notice, it looks like a purse. That's kind of the theme behind it. For June, we did an altered wooden box. This month, if you wanted to, you could make this into a purse to store these fabric pieces or some of your handmade pieces, or you could make it into like a junk journal purse, which that would be a really neat idea. And I'm going to work on a tutorial for that because I would like to make a purse as well. I think it would be pretty fun. So whenever you take it out of your box, this is what you'll be looking at. And I'll go ahead and undo our altered clothespin. And then this just kind of flips up. I've got it clothespin to kind of keep it together. So we've got this piece of applique trim, and you can leave it as is or cut it into the 3 pieces there. We've also got this beautiful white lace with the white pearls. I absolutely love this trim because the pearls are held on with a metal piece. Since they're not sewn in, you know, it makes it easier. I know sometimes when they're sewn in, and if you cut by the pearl, you know, it takes the pearl out. So I definitely like this trim. And so you'll get, I believe that's about a foot. And then we've got this attached here. Got this beautiful baby pink, I'm calling it rosette fabric. It's got like the roses, just absolutely pretty. And then we've got a bulb pin with a charm on it. And then we've got this beautiful lace. It's kind of a lacy fabric, I guess you could say, just really pretty. It's a cream colored. And then we've got this sequin trim. So I'll kind of turn, well, I might actually just wait till the end because on the back it's got something else on it. So you'll just fold it open. It's a good size piece. It's actually a vintage fabric napkin for your dining table. And it's a beautiful cream color with like flowers and leaves on it, and I just absolutely love it. And so whenever you flip this open, we've got some different items here. We've got a little picket fence. We've got this beautiful kind of a beige color applique. We've got this white applique. For this month, I decided to put more of lace and fabric and appliques. For June's box, we kind of did more handmade items and fabric and cardstock that you could use for altering your box. So each month will be different, but we try to keep it like shabby chic themed. Got some beautiful eyelet trim. I just absolutely love eyelet trim. And this is really pretty. Actually, this is the right side. Really pretty. It's a bright white, but you could stain it, and that way, you know, kind of tone down that bright white. And it's really, really pretty. You know, if you wanted to use it on the purse project, or you know, just use it for some of your handmade embellishments for your book or other projects. We've got this beautiful material here with embroidery work with the gold thread, little bits of glitter in there, just really pretty. And then we've got this, it's a very sheer organza material, like a kind of whitish, silverish color. And then if we unfold it, this, I mean, it's huge. So good size piece of vintage tablecloth. And then I'll just kind of flip it over. So on the back, just kind of hold it together. We've got a paper clip and a applique here. Alright, if I can get it off. Oh, I think, okay, there we go. So I've got this cute little applique. And then inside our envelope, so first of all, when you see it, it says cream colored tiny rosette trim. You'll get a foot of that. Then inside our envelope is some handmade items. So you are going to get some handmade items. So we've got some different pieces of cardstock. This one has a cute little fabric flower and a teeny tiny little pink button held together with a bulb pin. We've also got this embellishment here that you can actually take apart or leave as is, but it's held together with a brad. This is a vintage crocheted flower doily. Absolutely love this. I've hoarded these for quite a while, and but I thought, you know, I just need to share. So we've got that. We got a little piece of baby pink eyelet trim there, some white lace, and then a little strip of paper just to kind of hold it all together. We've got another tag. It's a piece of a flower. We've got another tag here, or I guess you can say kind of like a little journaling spot with some fabric flowers glued on. And then here's another little handmade piece that you could leave as is or take apart, held together with a brad. I tried to incorporate different colors of brads. So this is your rose gold. This is an antique gold. And then we've got a piece of cardstock here, another cardstock lace, cute little tag, and a pink button. In here we have handmade wax seals with pressed dried flowers in them. These are so much fun to make. I think these are kind of my new favorite thing. So just beautiful, beautiful. And so that would definitely be something fun to use. And I just wanted to tuck that in here separately by itself, because with the dried flowers, it's, you know, it's so fragile. I'd hate for anything to happen to it. This is a vintage veil, wedding veil. So you get a fragment of that. That's about all I have left, is just fragments of it. And then we've got our rose gold brad, a cute little charm there. And then inside here we've got some other items. We've got a beautiful little pearl and gold piece, little jewel piece. We've got a button, or not a button, but it's like a bead with the hole drilled through the top, so it can make like a nice little dangle piece. We've got some buttons. We've got this, it's a dichroic shell piece. You could string it up. It has a hole that comes through the center. I thought it would be a really neat idea with, if you have either string or like a head pin, you know, and then put some other beads and kind of make it into a dangle piece. And so that would be a pretty neat little thing to do. And so I'm really excited. I don't know if I showed this. You'll get a thing of glitter. I like to use these, great for like shaker cards, or just kind of putting some glue down and pouring it on, and just kind of having a little shimmery on your project there. So I'm really excited about this month's box. And as stated in the junk journal unboxing video, we no longer have our website. It just became a complete nightmare. And then after all the hard work and love that I put into that website, I don't know, it totally glitched out, or it was hacked into, or something. I don't know. It's, at this point, no information was compromised. It's, none of our personal or, billing type information was compromised. It's just, I don't know, it's been blacklisted. So once it goes there, there's like no return. And so I'm just like, screw it. So I just want to bring back the fun back into the business. That has been an 8-month long trial for me. And I thought, it's the culprit of my unhappiness, and I'm going to say goodbye to that. So, so anyway, I want to focus on crafting and, spending more time with y'all with videos and tutorials and, just making crafts. And, that's the whole point of this. It's therapeutic, it's fun, and I want to be able to spend more time in that as well, right alongside with y'all. So we will be selling via our newsletter. We will be turning that into like a catalog. I'll have all the links, and it'll take you directly to Stripe, who is the payment processor that I have used for the last 4 years. Very reliable, keeps your information safe and secure. And, we'll do that. We'll also be having a live sale in our Facebook group in the morning. Basically what I'll be doing is this, showing you the products in case if you missed it on the YouTube video. And then you can just comment and say, I want one, and then I'll invoice you. If some of y'all miss that live video, then that's where the newsletter will come into place and be helpful for you. You can just scroll through that. It'll have detailed photos, links to our unboxing videos, as well as a direct link to go ahead and make your purchase. It'll just be a one-time purchase where you can just purchase it one time, or you can even do a 3-month subscription at one time if you want to. I'm just trying to keep it easy, keep it convenient for everybody. I know with the times that we live in, people don't always want to be on the hook for a payment coming out every month or every 3 months. It's easy to forget about, and then the payment comes out and it's like, oops, I didn't know about that payment. I didn't really want that payment to come out. And then it becomes, a little bit of a hassle for me to have to deal with. So this way, it's just easier if we kind of handle it like this. So I'm really excited about it. The July 4th coupon will already be in place and active for that. In with the pricing. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.